Hello, this is Els. Welcome to Bima's Crafty Corner. Today we're going to be doing this project. And this is just a little junk journal. So we're going to be doing this today. And these are relatively easy. We're going to start with a piece of cardstock. And we're going to be cutting this down to 8 inches by 5 inches for the purpose of this book. So, and then on our mini one here, we'll just be taking a ½ inch off the end. And there we go. Now we'll score this at 4 inches in the middle so that when we fold it, we have a 5 by 4 inch book. And that's going to be our cover. Now, the pages that I've selected for the book today are from the Heirloom Stack by DCWV. And I've pulled about 7 or 8 sheets. See here. And we are going to be cutting these down into various sizes. Now for this we have to get out the big board. I will let you know now that as we go through you will find that I am addicted to cutters. I have many cutters. Let's make the first cut. We'll do 4 inches. Okay, get these out of the way. Finish that off. There we go. And then I kind of like 3 inches. Now the thing about a junk journal is it doesn't have to be even. It's junk journal. So then here, I think we're going to do this about here. Okay, so we've got those. And then let's bring back our strips. And cut this here. Like that. Let's see. These we will go ahead and cut right about there. So that one's damaged. We're going to put that to the side. And we're going to get rid of this one. All right. So, let me tell you a little bit about this junk journal as I go through and fold all my pieces in half. This particular journal, I'm actually making it for one of my swap partners. I do a lot of pocket letter swaps. And I am making this particular journal for one of my swap partners that I recently swapped with. She was so gracious and allowed her son to swap with my grandson and sent a adorable superhero Batman themed pocket letter to him. And what I'm doing is for this particular one is she sent me some beautiful washi tape, and let's get this out of the way so we can see some washi tape, and some beautiful flowers and butterflies and tags and things like that. Just all kinds of things that she put in there. And then I'm going to be adding to that some of my own pieces. And of course some extra pieces of cardstock. And I'm going to create this junk journal for her out of some of the things that she sent to me, just as a thank you. So, I'm going to go ahead and pause here and get all these folded, and I'll be right back. All right, well, in order to make this fit in the allotted time, I went ahead and just made a second video showing the process. So, I hope you'll watch that one as well. And thanks for stopping by. As always, subscribe, like, ring the bell, or don't, your choice. But I appreciate you being here for this one. Bye-bye.